go.
Let's go find a puffball. So, when you're looking for puffballs, make sure to look for this big white speck in the woods. And you might notice it because it's so bright. Oh, there's one right over there. So as you can see, this puffball is really visible because it's right in this little opening. And before you pick it, make sure it's actually a puffball, not some other kind of mushroom. Puffballs come out of the ground extremely easy because they have an itty bitty root that comes off super easily. So this is what we're going to use to make our puffball mozzarella sticks. When you're looking to find the best puffball mushroom, make sure to find one that doesn't have any deep holes. As you can see, this one has a few holes, but they're not very deep. If you find one with holes, that usually means that bugs have eaten it, and that the inside will be bad. Before we start making the recipe, make sure to wash it off to get all the dirt and germs and bugs off. Once you're done washing it off, start peeling off the outer layer. Puffed mushroom into the olive oil. Then you'll roll it in the flour, dip it in the egg, and then put the breadcrumbs and panko over it. Once the mushrooms are golden brown, grab them with a pair of tongs and put them on a plate. You may notice that the top is white and the bottom is orange. So make sure to flip it to make sure that both sides